addicted to you, hooked on your love, like a powerful drug. I can't get enough. I'm addicted to you.
Hello, you're welcome to ETN.CONNECT, a software company that is dedicated to offering you various software solutions. We are solutions providers. I will quickly be introducing you to one of the features of .CONNECT Chapter 7, and that is stock transfer. Stock transfer. You can actually use .CONNECT Chapter 7 to transfer your stock from one store to the other. Yes, you can, because .CONNECT Chapter 7 allows you to have multiple stores. So how do I do transfer of my stock from one store to the other? It's very simple, just a few steps. Follow me along as I go. Come down to, you scroll from up or wherever you are, you just scroll down to where you have inventory, and under the inventory you try and locate stock transfer. Stock transfer, can you see stock transfer? You click on the stock transfer. When you click on stock transfer, this is what you will see. It's asking you 3 questions. Number 1, from which store do you want to transfer from? And select a category you will wish to transfer an item or a stock from. And do you know the name of the item that you want to transfer? It's just few questions that you need to answer correctly depending on what you want. So I will select a store. This is a store. These are my stores that I have on this system. I have MJ Supermarket, I have MJ Anthony, I have Damaged Goods, and I have Lagos Warehouse. Let's say a particular item in MJ Supermarket has expired, and I want to transfer it into Damaged Goods. Alright, let's say that's what you want to do. So I will say MJ Supermarket, that's where the item is. And the category I want to transfer from is chocolates. If you know the item of the item, if you know the name of the item you want to transfer, you can put the name here. You can put the name in this field. And if you don't know it, you can leave it blank. But make sure you select your store and you select the category. And if you don't know the item name, you can leave the item name blank. So click on load items. All the chocolates that are on this system, everything that has to do with chocolate, that are saved, that are categorized under chocolate, will be displayed. And as you can see, we have 60 items displayed under chocolate. That is, all of these items you see here are categorized to be under chocolate. So how do I transfer now? What I do is, let's say, what item do you want us to transfer? Okay, let me see. Let's transfer extra sweet tropical. Extra sweet tropical. That's what we want to transfer. We want to transfer out of the quantity that we have in the store. We want to transfer some. Presently, it remains only one. Extra sweet tropical remains only one. You can see current quantity to be 1, and I want to transfer this one. It's damaged. This one is damaged. I want to transfer it into Damaged Goods store. So what I will do is, how many do I want to transfer? I will say I want to transfer 1. So I'm transferring 1. That will be what is going to be under new quantity. And after that, I will say the store I'm transferring it to is Damaged Goods. You can select any store you want to take it to, but I'm transferring it to Damaged Goods. So you click on Damaged Goods. As a matter of fact, it has already been picked for you as default. So Damaged Goods will be the default, because we believe sometimes you want to keep all your damaged goods in particular store. That's why we created Damaged Goods store for you by default. So you click. After you have done all this, let's add one more. Let's try and transfer more items. Let's say I want to transfer this bonbon assorted. Presently we have 359 quantities of it, pieces of this bonbon assorted in the store, and I want to transfer 5 out of this 359 into Damaged Goods store. 5 got damaged, so I want to transfer it into Damaged Goods store, or I want to transfer it into MJ Anthony. Let's say I want to transfer it into MJ Anthony. Okay, let's keep it that way. I'm transferring this to MJ Anthony, and I'm transferring one of extra sweet tropical to damaged goods. Let's see what happens. So after that, what do? You scroll down to where we have load new inventory, and you click on load new inventory. You will see a message will appear that says items transferred. Items transferred. So your item has been transferred. For us to confirm whether the item has been transferred, let's go back into this MJ supermarket again, and let's click on the same category that you have picked before, chocolate, and let's see. You remember what we transferred, right? Okay, you should know what it remains now. So let's click on load items, and let's see whether it has truly been transferred. You can see bonbon assorted was before 354. Is now 359, sorry, was before 359, but it's now 354. Can you see? It's now 354. So 5 has been transferred to MJ's and Tony. And what else did we transfer the other time? We transferred extra sweet tropical. Extra sweet tropical. Extra sweet tropical 2 has been transferred. So that is how you make your transfer. Now let's check the store that we have transferred to. Let's check the store that we have transferred to. So we have transferred to MJ's and Tony. I transferred 5 of these to MJ's and Tony. What would I be seeing there? Let me go to MJ's and Tony. So I click load items. So it will show to me that bonbon assorted 5 has been transferred here. So it was initially having 0 quantity, but because I've transferred to it, you can see we are having 5 items under current quantity for bonbon assorted. That is it. Is that clear? So that is how to do stock transfer, and you can do more things, a lot of things using .connect Shopper 7. So as you keep on watching our videos, you get to know more about .connect Shopper 7. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.